What isn't illegal, but really ought to be? Charging a convenience fee for paying electronically. $500 insulin. These medical companies know that the price of insulin is outrageous, but they are willing to harm people to make a profit. Isn't it fun to live in the hellscape that is capitalist healthcare? The insulin market isn't capitalist. It's a regulation nightmare. There are only 3 companies in the world who are allowed to produce insulin because of copyright laws. They are also allowed to price gouge because current regulations allow them to do so. Capitalism is about competition, something the healthcare market virtually has none of. The healthcare providers, pharmaceutical companies, etc. all pay billions of dollars a year to lobbyists and politicians who bring regulation into law that allows for no competition, so they can form monopolies. The government also foots the bill in most cases because free healthcare, which is another incentive for these companies to charge whatever they like. What you think capitalism is actually what's called crony capitalism. Child beauty pageants. They are so creepy. How can anyone think parading a child around like that is a good thing? It's not. I went to my little cousin's and have never felt so uncomfortable. For me and for those little girls. Most of the girls looked like they'd rather be anywhere else. It was the moms that were really into it. South Park did a good parody of this in the episode Mitchell Jackson comes back as Ike. Texting and driving is illegal. But you know what's not illegal? Writing a letter and driving. Free trials that continue the subscription after the trial ends. Reheating fish in the office microwave. I'm too pretty to go to jail. Please don't do this. Also, my co-workers walk into my area to fart back of the shop away from the royalty, so I have no remorse. You're the worst. Not putting your unwanted goods back in the correct place in shops and stores. This drives me insane. Someone left Sashi W the checkout line candy the other day. So wasteful and fucking lazy. At the very least, the lazy ass could have handed it to the cashier so it can go back to the refrigerated section. I found somebody had jammed a container of sushi in the refrigerator next to the sodas right near the checkout. Odd mixture of considerate and careless. Taking too many items through the express checkout. I think there would be a test to see if you can use the self-checkout machines. I swear half the people using that are incompetent. Try living in South Florida, where the rest of the country sends their grandparents. Parking lots are basically a bumper cars arena. The self-checkouts are full of angry old people that refuse to learn. Talking on phones through speaker or blasting music from the phone speakers in public transit. No one wants to hear that shit. Shrinkflation. https n wikipedia.org/wiki/shrinkflation. The process of shrinking purchased goods in size or quantity, or even sometimes reformulating or reducing quality, while the prices charged for said goods remain the same or increase. The fucking peanut butter cups are so damn small now. Feels like Snickers has gotten smaller over the years as well. Loot boxes in video games marketed towards youth or children. The interest rates on payday loans and used car loans are pretty criminal. Payday loans period. They're legal loan sharks that prey on the poor. Charging people suffering from mental health for treatments. Planned obsolescence. Yes. I'm so good looking it ought to be illegal. Now me. I'm the opposite. I don't think your ugliness should be legal.